Ever wondered how to create a perfect sketch? Or perhaps you've tried your hand at sketching before, but it didn't turn out quite as you hoped. Well, you're in luck because today we're diving deep into the world of sketching, breaking down the process into simple, easy-to-follow steps. One might argue that the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and in sketching, that first step is choosing the right tools. Quality sketching begins with quality tools. So invest in a good set of pencils, an eraser, and a sketchbook. A variety of pencils, from hard to soft, will give you the flexibility to create different effects and textures. Next, embrace the concept of rough sketching. It's all about setting the stage and laying the groundwork for your masterpiece. Start with loose and light lines, focusing on the basic shapes and proportions. Don't worry about the details or getting it perfect at this stage. Remember, every great sketch starts as a simple, rough outline. After laying down the rough sketch, it's time to refine it. Here's where you start adding details, correcting proportions, and defining forms. Use your eraser as a drawing tool to create highlights and clean up your lines. Now take a step back. Look at your sketch from a distance. This helps to spot any errors or inconsistencies that might have slipped past you. Fix those, and you're ready for the next stage, shading. Shading brings life to your sketch. It gives your drawing depth and dimension, making it pop off the page. Start with a light layer of shading, gradually building up the darkness. Remember, patience is key here. Rushing through this part can lead to a flat, unrealistic sketch. Once you've added shading, it's time for the final touch, highlighting. Use your eraser to create highlights where the light naturally hits. This will give your sketch a three-dimensional look. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a perfect sketch. To recap, start with the right tools, lay down a rough sketch, refine it, check for errors, add shading, and finally, create highlights. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you sketch, the better you'll become. Sketching is a journey, not a destination. So keep pushing, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep sketching. Because the world is your canvas, and it's waiting for your masterpiece.